I remember it vividly. I was standing on a train platform in Vernazza, one of the 5 jewel-like towns of Italy's Cinque Terre. The train was pulling away, a frantic couple was struggling. 2 enormous suitcases, a duffel bag, a small mountain of carry-ons. They were sweating and arguing, missing the very beauty they had traveled so far to see. Meanwhile, I breezed onto the train with my single, trusty carry-on slung over my shoulder. I found a seat, stowed my bag overhead in seconds, settled in to watch the stunning Ligurian coastline roll by. That moment crystallized a travel truth I had been learning for years. Your luggage can either be a ball and chain, or a ticket to freedom. That experience wasn't a one-off. I've seen it happen time and time again. For the budget traveler, packing light is not just a preference, it's a fundamental financial strategy. Nearly every budget airline charges a hefty fee for a checked bag. These fees can sometimes cost more than the flight itself. By committing to a single carry-on, you can instantly save anywhere from $50 to $150 on a round trip. Do that for a multi-city trip, and you've just saved enough money for a few nice dinners, a museum pass, or even an extra night's stay. The math is simple and powerful. Less luggage equals more money in your travel fund for actual travel experiences. Beyond the airline fees, the savings continue to cascade. With a single, manageable bag, you can confidently use public transportation. Hop on the metro from the airport, take the local bus, or walk to your hotel. Those who are wrestling with heavy luggage are often forced into the expensive embrace of a taxi. A 20-minute taxi ride can easily cost 10 times more than a simple train ticket. Over the course of a trip, these small, smart transportation choices add up to significant savings, all because you weren't weighed down by your belongings. You become a master of your own mobility. Then there's the priceless currency of time and energy. Choosing the right bag is the single most important decision you will make in your quest to pack light. This is your mobile home, your partner in adventure. It needs to be just right. For maximum versatility, I recommend a convertible carry-on travel backpack. Bags often open clamshell style for easy access and have comfortable backpack straps for mobility. Look for comfortable straps and good padding. Organization like a suitcase, hands-free like a backpack. Look for durable materials, water-resistant fabric, and high-quality zippers. Size dictates your packing discipline. Choose a bag that meets strict carry-on limits, typically around 22x14x9 inches or 55x35 by 23 centimeters. Check weight when empty. Avoid heavy leather and metal hardware. Every ounce counts. Never, ever start packing by pulling things out of your closet at random. This is a recipe for disaster, leading to a pile of just-in-case items you will never use. Instead, your journey begins with a piece of paper and a pen, or a notes app on your phone. Creating a detailed packing list is the most critical step in disciplined packing. It forces you to think deliberately about every single item. It transforms packing from a chaotic scramble into a thoughtful, strategic process. Your list is your blueprint, your guide, and your best defense against the temptation to overpack. Start working on it a week or two before your trip. Divide your list into logical categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics, documents, or money. Be ruthlessly specific. Don't just write shirts. Write 1 long-sleeve button-up shirt, blue, 2 short-sleeve polo shirts, gray and green, 1 dark t-shirt. This helps you visualize outfits and ensures versatile coordinating pieces. For each item, ask, will I use this enough? Can I make do without it? Can I buy it there if needed? Lay everything out. This is your reality check. Be a ruthless editor. Remove at least 25%. So, the key to a light travel wardrobe is not about having fewer clothes, it's really about having more outfits from fewer items. Choose versatile, coordinating pieces that mix and match. Stick to a simple neutral palette: black, gray, navy, khaki. Add pops of color with a few lightweight shirts, a scarf or tie. 1 pair of dark, comfortable travel pants can be dressed down for sightseeing and dressed up for dinner. Fabric choice is paramount. Leave bulky cotton hoodies and heavy denim at home. Merino wool is a miracle. Lightweight, warm, odor-resistant, and quick-drying. Synthetic blends are wrinkle-resistant, durable, and quick-drying. Layering is your best friend. Base layer, merino mid-layer, waterproof shell. If it's cool, wear the fleece. If it's raining, wear the shell. If cold and wet, wear all 3. Shoes are heavy and take up space. You do not need more than 2 pairs. First, a comfortable walking shoe. Second, a slightly dressier, still comfortable pair. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space. Toiletries are notoriously heavy and prone to leaks, making them a major packing challenge. The first rule of travel toiletries is to think small. Never, ever pack full-size bottles. The 3.4-ounce or 100 milliliter limit is not a hindrance. It's a gift that forces you to downsize. Purchase high-quality reusable travel bottles and decant what you need. Eliminate liquids where possible. The world of solid toiletries has exploded. Solid shampoo, conditioner, solid perfume, toothpaste tablets. They don't count toward your liquid allowance, they can't leak, and they last a long time. This frees up precious space. Create a dedicated, minimalist, waterproof toiletry kit. Think multi-purpose. A bar of soap can be body, face, and laundry. Conditioner can double as shaving cream. Decant makeup and skincare into tiny pots. Be critical about what you bring. Unless prescription specific, you can buy common items like toothpaste, sunscreen, and pain relievers at your destination. Don't pack a bulky hairdryer. Most places provide one. If not, learn to love air-dried hair for a couple of weeks. By being strategic, embracing solids, and packing what is truly necessary, you can shrink your toiletry kit to a feather-light size. In today's world, our electronics have become essential travel companions. However, a tangled mess of cords, chargers, and adapters can create chaos and weight. The key is to consolidate. Invest in a multi-port USB wall charger. Charge all devices from a single outlet with one power brick. That gadget can replace 3 or 4 separate chargers. Bring a single universal power adapter for the countries you'll visit. Use a small electronics organizer or zip-top bag to keep cords, memory cards, and chargers together. No more digging through your suitcase for a cable. Before you leave, ask if you truly need each gadget. Camera, e-reader, alarm clock. Can your smartphone replace your camera or e-reader? Likely yes. Leave bulky DSLRs or extra laptops at home unless required. Your documents are your most valuable possessions. Protect them. Keep them in an interior zippered pocket of your day bag. Make copies, photograph passports and cards, upload to the cloud, and email them to yourself or a trusted contact. Notify your bank, carry multiple payment methods, and tuck emergency cash in a hidden pocket. Once you've curated your perfect list, the next challenge is fitting it neatly into your bag. This is where a few simple techniques make a world of difference. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Roll pants and sweaters tightly to compress fabric and minimize wrinkles. You'll be shocked how much space rolling saves. Use packing cubes to level up organization. Group like items together. 1 cube for shirts, 1 for socks and underwear, a small cube for electronics. Keeps your bag tidy and makes things easy to find. For bulky items, compression packing cubes squeeze out volume. But remember, they save space, not weight. Weigh your bag. Denser volume can still hit airline limits. Place heavier items close to your back to create a stable center of gravity. Fill gaps with smaller items. Socks into shoes, underwear into toes. Think of your bag as a 3-dimensional puzzle. Combine rolling, packing cubes, and smart placement to create a compact, balanced bag that's a joy to carry. One of the most common packing mistakes is the just-in-case syndrome. That little voice convinces you to pack a fancy outfit or hiking boots, just in case. Those what-ifs rarely happen, and you end up lugging useless weight. Pack for your definite plans and be resourceful if something unexpected arises. Rent, borrow, buy. Pack for the 90% certainties, not the 10% maybes. Leave about 20% empty outbound, so you can bring home a scarf, pottery, or a bottle of local wine. Many first-time light packers worry about running out of clean clothes, but a quick sink wash often dries overnight. Cities have laundromats and many hotels offer laundry services. Letting go of the fear of being caught without is a huge mental step toward packing freedom. You are more resourceful than you think. Embrace the philosophy of less is more. Challenge yourself to pack lighter than ever before. Then take out a few more things. The reward is immeasurable. Save money, have more energy, feel freedom and mobility.